Welcome back to my channel. This is Mindy and I'm so glad you've joined me today. We are in the kitchen and we are going to get some good teriyaki chicken stir fry going on the stove. And today we are using Sweet Baby Ray's honey teriyaki sauce. So if you like chicken stir fry, if you like easy weeknight meals, you'll definitely want to stick around for this one. When choosing your veggies, there's really no right or wrong answer to which ones you use. These are the ones I had on hand and pretty much that I always like to use. And I usually do use fresh, but frozen can be used as well. And we're going to get those into the pot now and get them just a little bit steamed, soften them up just a little bit. That way when we put them in our pan with our chicken, they'll be good and cooked through already. Now we're going to season our chicken, and I am using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. My family prefers dark meat over white meat, but breast can definitely be used as well. And I'm just using some salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and we're going to season both sides of that chicken before we put it into the pan. One thing you're going to learn about me is that I love to cook with bacon grease. I reserve my bacon grease when I cook bacon so I can use it when I cook other meats and vegetables and potatoes. I think it just tastes good on so many different things. It adds a lot of flavor. So that's what I have heated up here is some bacon grease. And now we're putting our chicken thighs in there and we're going to let those cook about 4 minutes on each side, 4 to 5 minutes on each side. We just want to get them a nice little brown color on there, and we're gonna put them back in after we cut them up and let them cook longer in the sauce. So if they're not quite done, that's okay because they're still going to cook longer, but we're just getting them browned up real good. Got our veggies steamed, and now we're going to add in our sauces. And I use Sweet Baby Ray's honey teriyaki, and I also use a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce. Now my teriyaki sauce, I'd say about half a cup probably, and then my soy sauce, maybe about 2-3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I mix it all together really well, and then we add our vegetables in and let them mix in as well. Okay, now we've got everything mixed in really well, so we're gonna see how things look, maybe add in a little bit more sauce. You can always do that if you need more sauce in there. And then we're gonna get our rice noodles going. You can also serve this with rice, but I wanted the stir fry rice noodles. So that's what we fixed and put our stir fry on top of it, and it was so good. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. That really helps my channel to grow, and I'm able to do more videos like this for you in the future. If you try this recipe, I'd love to hear how it turns out in the comments below. I hope you have a great day and take care. Bye, y'all.